What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we just made it here to West Virginia, and as you can see it is snowing pretty hard, so we just had to stop at Walmart. We forgot our car straps and a few other things. We got some groceries. The roads are pretty bad, so we're just gonna go ahead and call it a night, grab a hotel, and hopefully we don't get snowed in by tomorrow. The windshield, you got the headlight fluid going?
Let's go.
Big Barney's putting in the work, boys. Just made it to Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Copart. We're here to pick up vTuned's car. He's taking care of all the paperwork, but look at Big Barney, man. Definitely needs a good wash when we get back. Well, it's about 5-6 inches. They got this parking lot cleared out quick though. We want to get out of Pennsylvania before it starts coming down again. It's supposed to come down at 7 and we got about a 9-hour drive.
Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, this is 7 Seas.
It's a 2018 BMW M5, so be sure to go check it out on his channel. It's all strapped in and ready to go. Let's go ahead and book it back home. So we made it here to vTuned shop. We got the M5 unloaded, so be sure to check out that epic build. For now, we're gonna go ahead and give the truck a nice wash. All right, boys, so we're back in the garage. Gave Barney a wash. He was big salty and really needed it. I don't know how you Northerners deal with that all the time. That was just not the vibe for me. But today we're working on the blue TJ. I'll show you guys what we got going on. So I got this awesome bucket seat installed from an older BRZ project I did. It bolts right up, or welds up, I should say. We're still using the OEM seat brackets. We built a few brackets to run across and then just welded the base of the seat. It does move back and forth and recline. It works just like it should. It's gonna be really awesome when we get some seat harnesses installed in this joint. It's gonna give us the safety that we need. We also got the fuel cell all buttoned up and ready to go. We're gonna spray that in as well. I've pretty much got all the trim pieces I want out. We're gonna go ahead and tape up the dash instead of trying to mess with pulling it. I wanna go ahead and spray this interior tub with some bed liner, give it that nice black, fresh look. I've got 2 cans of Raptor liner left over from the RX-7, so that should be plenty for us. Let's go ahead and pull this Jeep outside, give the interior a nice wash, tape it up, and we'll be good to go. guys, so we got the interior all cleaned up and ready to go. We're just gonna final clean it one more time. We got all the edges taped up as well. Didn't really go too crazy on the taping. After all, this is a bogger. This should do the trick though. Let's go ahead and mix up some Raptor liner and get her done. All right, boys, so the interior is all back together. The floor is just looking mighty fresh, and it's gonna stay like that for a while. It's very easy to wash out any mud you get inside this Jeep. It's pretty much waterproof. The matching fuel cell box is looking sick. We got a place to throw a cooler or just use it as a picnic table, whatever you want. We're gonna go ahead and leave this passenger seat in here for now. I'll throw a seat cover on it, and later down the road, if we do find another BRZ seat, we'll slap that in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get a new battery. This one's completely shot. Do a tune-up on the Jeep, and we're pretty much ready for summertime, boys. I wanna show you guys this awesome switch setup I got in red ruby. This saved me a lot of time trying to get this Jeep lit up. So you got your main power box inside the engine bay. You have 6 different connections or switches to get your power from. So we got our rock lights set up, our pod lights, our light bar, reverse lights, and I think I got one more switch. This really just simplifies all the wiring. Instead of having to run a harness through the firewall for each individual switch, you just have one connection there running to the power box. It mounts up very nicely on top of the windshield frame, very easy to reach. It gives you your voltage reading in the middle with 3 switches on the side. If the switch is engaged, it's gonna light up the top. If it's not, it's just gonna be the letters at the bottom. So pretty cool. We're definitely gonna be getting one of these for the Ram because I do wanna get that beast lit up as well. That's all I got done for today, boys. If you like what you saw, consider subscribing. Also, smash that like button to help grow the DTV community. Thanks for watching. I'm out.